everyone, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. I wanted to talk to you about my Dyson. A few of you have asked me how much I paid for it and where I got it from. So I wanted to let you know that I actually bought it from eBay from the Dyson outlet shop. So I bought it directly from Dyson, and what they do is they refurbish some of their Dysons if they have problems of some sort, and they send it out to you for half the price. I paid £139.99 with free delivery, and it literally got here the next day. So it only takes 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. I think that is really worth it. For basically at least half the price, I get a brand new Dyson that has been refurbished, so it's in great working condition. Dyson is a brand that I trust. I've had a big Dyson for about 12 years now, and it's still working fine. So you also get 1 year's guarantee, so you don't get the normal, I think it's like 2 years, maybe 5 years guarantee that you would. But to be honest, actually, if it lasted me 2 or 3 years, I can buy another one for the same price, if that makes sense to you guys. So I bought it from the Dyson outlet shop. I will put a link to it below. It might not be the exact same one that I bought, because they seem to be in and out of stock. So it's a case of just keeping an eye, if you are interested, keeping an eye on their outlet shop. But if nothing else, you'll be able to see the link to it. I don't know if they have an outlet shop on eBay in other countries, but you guys have a look. So like I said, the link will be below. No paid promotion, no affiliated links. This is just how I bought mine, and so far so good. I love it. Like I said to you guys, it is a brand that I trust, so hopefully it will be okay. Thank you guys for watching as usual. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.